What's up everyone? I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today I will do a review about Commission Code by Billy McGray. I will show you if Commission Code is really the product that you need to buy to become successful in your business. I will show you the sales page. Then I will be showing you the members area, the upsells, and if you stay till the end, you will hear my personal recommendation why you should think twice before buying this product. So in summary, my honest opinion about this product you will find at the end of this short video. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews to help you grow your online business. If you need more information like this, consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell so you will be notified when my next video is released. Now let's look at the Commission Code, which I am reviewing today. According to me, this is another shiny object selling you your dream. Let's get real, guys. We will see something shiny again. So this is Commission Code. It's so simple to follow instructions to get your system set up. Use the traffic source outlined in the members area and boom! I was making money the first week. Yes, guys. I make up to $1,266 per day from ClickBank. Well, they might believe it, but I don't. You might not know it yet, but this video could change your life. What's going to happen? You just have to fill in the name, email, and start now. It only costs $9, but be careful. I've signed up for this to do the review. And I saw a few things I don't like. Read the small print. After the $9 14-day trial, you will pay $47 per month. Don't miss this. Welcome to Commission Code Training Area. Now I'm always looking at training videos and support. This is my two critical points in any product. Now they have a training area. And step 1, the code, how to sign up, and then they have the normal introductory video, very shiny. ClickBank, GetResponse, and secret traffic source number 4. Well, Commission Code say they solve 4 problems. I don't agree with these 4 problems, although they have the 4 simple steps and the videos that will guide you all the way. First, you will register for the GetResponse. And they will show you how to get the API code and add it to the Commission Code. You can also register for an affiliate account at ClickBank. All of us can do it automatically. We don't need Commission Code to use it. And if you get your code and the product you want to promote, you will also add it to Commission Code. And with ClickBank, step 2, we're going to step 3, GetResponse. Here they will show you with the videos how to sign up for GetResponse and to get your API key, which is coming here as the code, and how to integrate GetResponse into Commission Code. So this is all that we usually as affiliate marketers do, but we don't have to use Commission Code. I use GetResponse and I'm very happy with the program, but I'm not using it in combination with Commission Code. As any affiliate marketer, we will need to have automation and the email collector while we're doing affiliate marketing. Number 4, the traffic. And here is where I have a problem. As they suggest that you buy traffic from different sites, traffic for me is the first site that they say that you can get traffic from. Number 2, the MLM Traffic Center. And number 4, Udemy Solo Ads. Now, solo ads is the lowest quality of traffic because the people are not targeted and they cold traffic, as we as affiliate marketers call them. They're not really targeted to something specific and you don't know why they're here. Now, we're in the email landing page setup. Here are videos that will show you how to do it, and as affiliate marketers, we know this works. This is the right structure for any affiliate marketer to send your traffic to and to make sure you get sales. They have training for all this to show you how to set it up. Your email profit page, links and stats, how you set it up, how you make sure that your GetResponse, your ClickBank, everything is connected the right way. And as affiliate marketers, we also do this. Here they show you, this is your structure and this is your process. Solo ads, a landing page, and this is where we collect the emails. And the emails will be collected by GetResponse. It's only one more step that I have to talk about, and this is the upsells. So commission code, once you start off with it, $9 sounds very cheap. So don't let this catch you out. After the 14 days, you will be paying $47 recurring. Make sure you read the small print and understand that if you don't cancel this product, you will pay $47 every month for something you don't need. The first upsell, $197 for commission code Pro. And if you don't buy this, there's a downsell, which I don't like. They play around with up and down, up and down. The second upsell, $146 for commission code ADATM. This means you have to buy this product to make sure everything is working properly. And if you don't buy it, there's a downsell. And lastly, the third upsell, $297 for commission code X. I can tell you, looking at this and how they set it out is definitely not what I would suggest that you use and you pay. The pros, do it for your system, 60-day guarantee. It's a competent system. Support is available, but for me, I would say you don't need this. Now let's look at the cons. As you could see from what I'm telling you, I have a long list. Firstly, solo ads are inconsistent. You cannot use solo ads and expect to make money online. It's hyped up sales page telling you how much they make. This is not true. If you're a newbie, you will never make this money just like this. You need to work hard. The site is not self-hosted, so where do you go? If they decided to close it down, what happens to you? Training. The training is there, but it's not in-depth training. Going through the training videos, they will tell you what to do, but when you get stuck, you need more information. And is the support really going to help you in this? Beginner friendly? I would say maybe, maybe not. But for me, if you're a beginner who doesn't know, it will not help. The system only works with GetResponse. They don't have any other automation that they allow. And you're paying to promote this product. I don't think this is a good way to make money. So, commission code, my summary, this is not a product for any newbie. As advanced affiliate marketers, we see through the system. We will never promote it and we will never sell it to any beginner starting off as an affiliate marketer. So the hyped up sales page, making you believe you can make money, selling this, making $1,266 a day from ClickBank, it's not true. I would not believe this. So make sure that you don't buy this product. And traffic sources, never use solo traffic or any of this traffic, as you don't know if it's real traffic that's targeted to the products you're selling. It's just cold traffic they send and you won't make your sales. I would leave links below for other products that I would suggest, much better for beginners, beginner friendly, and it costs you nothing. I have a free traffic source and a free 12-step training that you can use to make money online. Look at the link below the video and sign up today and see for yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done it already, sign up to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.